Wanted to show you a few things on Clyde real quick to identify allergies. Number one, look at his draining eyes. See his eyes right there, they're draining right there and right there, okay? Getting stuff in his eyes and it bothers him and they leak, okay? His ears become inflamed and itchy, and he may even take his back paw and rub them on his ear. He may shake his head back and forth. Lots of times that's consistent with allergies. And the other thing is on his paws or his feet. Do you see this copper toned color right there? That's when he's been licking his feet. Lots of times he'll lick right here between his toes. So Clyde has some signs of allergies. The thing to know is what's acceptable and what's not acceptable. Okay, in Middle Tennessee, you know, dogs this time of year, the vast majority of them, I'd probably say 80, 90% are going to itch, lick, and deal with some problems with allergies, okay? And the reason why is we live in an allergy-filled environment, but also if you think about it, dogs are close to the ground. They go out in the grass, they roll around in the grass, and the main premise behind you know, alleviating allergy symptoms is avoidance, and dogs live and stay and play and have fun where all the allergens are. So they're breaking one of the rules. The second thing is that the way dogs respond to an itch, okay, lots of times they lick. And when they lick, the hair gets wet, it lays down on the skin, and then stuff grows. So when a dog has allergies, it's always followed by a secondary infection, either yeast or bacteria, or both. It happens. So you got to treat the allergen, and then you have to treat the secondary infection. The problem is that it comes back frequently because of the two reasons I mentioned before, and that makes it very frustrating, okay? And so when deciding how aggressively to treat your pet, you got to decide how significant are the symptoms. If they're itching a little bit, not bleeding, not driving you crazy at night, then you don't need some big time harsh treatment, okay? If they're, you know, rubbing their feet raw and their ears are hanging sideways and their head's looking sideways, then maybe you have to go with something more aggressive. But in Middle Tennessee, most dogs this time of year are going to itch. They're going to have some allergy symptoms, and deciding on when or if you need the treatment has to be made by you, but it also needs to be dictated by the severity of the allergy. So if you have an allergic dog and you need help with it, give us a call. I'm Dr. Marc Smith, Natural Trace Veterinary Services, 615-750-2248. Thank you.